Welcome to this presentation of the module E-Reputation and Netiquette, which is part of the Communication and Collaboration competence area. Here you will find the contents for this module. We will begin with an introduction and address the learning objectives of this module. Then we will talk about E-Reputation and Netiquette. Afterwards, we will see some great tools which will be of great help to you in the classroom. Have you noticed that when you talk to somebody over the internet, there is a subtle set of rules that you follow? As minimalistic as it may sound, in a setting where online classes have long become a common practice, even raising your digital hand is netiquette. And netiquette can be applied to make communication and collaboration smoother while keeping e-reputation intact. Conventional teaching means, however, rarely address any matters of netiquette or e-reputation. However, you can use digital tools to guide students in this regard as well. The choice of the said tools is based on the communication and collaboration competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. Here you will find the learning objectives of this module. You will learn thoroughly about the terms e-reputation and netiquette. You will also learn how to foster students' understanding of netiquette through the use of digital tools, and you will assist your students in developing a mindset which protects their e-reputation. What do we mean when we say that the competence of e-reputation and netiquette belong to the competence area of communication and collaboration? This competence area is all about transferring knowledge from the teachers and the peers to the student and making sure that everybody helps with the processes of online collaboration. However, this knowledge is not only subject-specific, it also includes instructions for netiquette with the view to protect one's e-reputation. You can successfully teach the rules of netiquette and improve e-reputation by subtly instructing social and behavioral cues in the classroom and drawing parallels between in-person and online situations. Proficiency in terms of e-reputation and netiquette can be measured by the consistency rate of the use of best netiquette practices, and the ability to differentiate between digital tools according to the situation. Have you ever faced rude behavior from students online which cannot be directly explained in person? You cannot, for example, send emojis in real life, after all. But is the emoji something like a hand gesture, for example? It probably is. This is where today's module comes in. Of course, it's best to clarify what netiquette and e-reputation mean before presenting your digital tools. E-reputation refers to the image or perception that a student keeps online even after completing their studies. It can be formed by a variety of factors, including what they state online, what content they create, and what is said about them online. Netiquette is etiquette but done digitally, meaning that just as our life is full of protocols, in the same way you are expected to be behaving according to the digital context. For this purpose, we chose two great tools, Flip and Slack. Let's begin with Flip. Flip is an online platform that allows educators to create and manage video-based discussions with their students. You can stay in touch with your students and encourage them to speak both in public and in private chat rooms. Everyone can create and share their ideas with their own images, videos, and all types of content uploaded in their chat room. You can also create groups and comment together on exercises and classwork. After you create your account, you will be able to create your class, the place where your students will be linked and where you can coordinate your activities. In fact, teachers can create multiple grids for different classes and subjects and manage student permissions and control access to discussions. If needed, you can actually integrate Flip with some widely known learning management systems. In Flip, students can record and upload short video responses to discussion prompts sent by their educators, essentially making their interactions more engaging. Flip also offers creative tools, including emojis and stickers, which can be considered subject to netiquette Finally, you can use whiteboards and some drawing tools as well. Check this resource here to learn more about the Flip camera. So, are there any upgrades for Flip, any premium plans? No, there are not. Flip is a free tool to use. Let's go to our second tool of the day. Slack is a great tool for team communication and collaboration. With Slack, you can create channels with dedicated spaces for specific topics or subjects, and it actually integrates well with a variety of widely used digital tools. To access the official website of Slack, click on the link here. Once you create your account, you will be creating your workspace as well, which you can name after your class. You will probably wonder what is the difference with your typical instant messaging application. It's the channels mostly. You can neatly organize all of your conversations, creating a different chat room for field trips, for example. And there are various ways you can communicate with others, including Hardle, which allows a voice call on the chosen channel. For more interesting resources, click on the links here and here. You can set a few things about your profile as well, for example, a description and the pronunciation of your name. One of the closest features which is related to netiquette is setting a status. You see here, for example, the meeting, commuting, and sick status. So, ask yourself, if you were to chat with a coworker and they were labeled as busy in a meeting on the chat, would you spam them? If you wouldn't spam exactly because of their status, then netiquette works. But how do Slack upgrades work? You should upgrade if you want unlimited message history. You should also upgrade to have unlimited integrations with other applications. And you should upgrade to use Hardle with more than one person. You can now pause and view the following slides for more information on the premium plans of Slack. And we will end this video with a question. Do you think that students have their own netiquette rules among themselves? Thank you so much for your attention.